All right, everybody, I'm at a stoplight and I'm getting ready to record the shifting of the truck. For a second. Still got to fix that ABS sensor, and I've got an injector knock again. So yesterday I called Oregon Diesel Performance, and I'm getting another set of brand new injectors, and so I'm going to do injectors again because these thoroughbred diesel injectors just aren't cutting it. I'll send them in as cores, eat the $1,900 that I spent on them, but you can see the truck's shifting great. So the Transgo shift kit, all new electronics, everything's working out really well. I got really firm shifts. It shifts great. So I highly recommend, if you've got the shifting problems, adjust both your bands and your transmission. Do the Transgo shift kit for the valve body. All new electronics. Every piece of electronics in this transmission are brand new, just because I didn't want to have any trouble with it. So everything's, well, the transmission's working well. Injectors are marginal, so we'll see how it works out. But thanks for watching.